Welcome to Homestead's Homestead. We're so glad you're here. Now sit right back and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It really helps us to grow, and it's always free.
Now folks, there will be a couple bodies of hogs in this video that are deceased. There's nothing bad, but if it's something you don't want to see, if you would, you might want to turn it off now. Thank y'all.
This here is Kylie. She's an up-and-coming YouTuber. She's doing good. She's got a channel. I'll put the link in the description. What we got here, Kylie?
Okay, so we got our ducks. They're pretty well trained. If you walk behind them, they'll go up, but it's not time for them to go up
Okay.
yet. But that one that's doing that thing there, that's the daddy, and that one's the mama.
Oh.
The dad's pretty mean. He'll bite you. So.
Oh, we'll stay away from him then.
And this is our goats.
Oh, yeah.
Some of them are pet, like this one.
Yeah. Hello there.
His name is Billy Bob.
Billy Bob.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Billy Bob.
This is our baby goats. They usually stay behind here.
Yeah.
This one's pet. I don't know about this one. No. But one of these two has 3 legs.
Has 3 legs and doing good.
I'm pretty sure it's this one.
Yeah.
You have to be very careful with it. Yeah, that one's.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You're doing good, though. I can see. Yeah.
Yeah, this one's pet. We bottle feed them sometimes.
We've got a couple bottle babies at the house there. Yeah.
Yeah. That brown one, that's mama.
Yeah.
This is Blue. She's mostly the leader of the goats. She'll rub on you if you pet her, like
Yeah.
right here. Sometimes. But
Hey,
she's the leader of the family. She's probably the oldest and nanny.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Looky there. It's a rainy day today, folks. The winds are blowing. It's Thanksgiving. Hope everybody's doing well. We've come up here. It's Appalachian tradition, hog killing on Thanksgiving morning. We won't be showing none of the killing part today. We'll show you a little bit of the fellowship, everybody around talking, and as you can see, Miss Kylie here, she's up here for it also. And you'll see Gus up here in a minute, and it just spans throughout the generations, all the way from the youngsters up to the older folks, including me. Yeah. How are you? You waving at the camera? Miss Kylie's got you trained good. Yeah. Alrighty, let's go up here and check.
I don't know where her baby is.
There's some of Miss Kylie's baby ducks. Yeah. Yeah, I believe that one's telling us that's enough picture taking. You can see there all different age groups. In a few years, that little fella there and Miss Kylie will be up here showing us how to do all this. Right now they're scalding the hog, getting the hair off of it.
What do you think, Dad?
It's just an old rainy, nasty day today. I'm going to put you folks up for a little bit, and we'll get you out here next step there. You can see here, folks, they're in here scraping the hog now, taking the hair off.
Now you watch out, we're gonna get you.
Alrighty, folks. Like I said, I'm not going to show a bunch of details today. We've got a great video. Jason come down to the house there a couple of years ago and did. There you can see it's a hanging. It's been scraped. Carolyn, she'll leave the link in the description if you want a detailed on how to do it. It'll tell you every step of the way what you need to do. Jason did a great job with that video. This step here now, they're carrying half of a hog inside there.
Pull it towards you, bring it. There you go.
I ain't gonna touch it on the ground.
Oh yeah, it's gonna fall that way whenever it gets there.
Oh, really? Don't you see it fall that way? That's what he said. Fall. Back up just a little bit,
Lower
John.
it now, Terry.
Huh?
When we ain't got nothing on it, you can lower it all you want.
Oh. Well, I mean, it's just that far.
Hey, John. Yo. You good?
Oh, yeah. You want this next one?
Hey, Dad, is this basically a big old freezer?
Yeah, that's what that is. Well, a big refrigerator. It
How
ain't
cold
free.
will it take it down to?
Huh?
How cold?
30. Well, actually, it's saying it's to 31, but it's supposed to stay between 34 and 37.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the cool room there Jason built. Alright, I'm going to put y'all up for a few minutes. Right there you can see we're going from the youngest to the oldest here today. Now folks, this here, look at the biscuits, and then come over here and look at this. We got Tony over here frying up the tenderloin. Look at that, folks.
There a bag in that bag? Well, maybe at the bottom there. And you be careful. Yep. Be careful. Have a happy Thanksgiving. John?
Look at there, folks. Look at all that good eat.
They throw them away. I had 6 of them. I did a friend of mine died. That's what you load.
Well, they're worth it. I mean,
Yeah.
Get some water down here, Gary. A little water.
Now,
Let's
folks,
roll that up.
this here is an old-time Appalachian tradition. Killing hogs, hog killing on Thanksgiving morning. Folks, we're wrapping up right now. Hope everybody has a blessed Thanksgiving. Stay safe. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you soon.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon. Lord willing.